Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to convert PEM file to PPK file. For that, you need to download Putty, then convert PEM file to PPK file. So once you download Putty, then from there we can generate PPK file and we can save it in our local machine, and then we can connect using PPK file. Finally, you will launch the instance, your EC2 instance using the PPK file. First, I'll check the PPK whether put is downloaded in my system. Is there? Yes, it is downloaded already. If you are not downloaded, you can simply go to Google, download it. See, it is using the putty.org. You can click on this link. Use the download putty option. It is going to download and follow the on-screen instructions. Here the MSI installer or Unix archive you can choose based on your operating system, either Windows or Linux. So if it is a 32-bit or the 64-bit, use your OS configuration and download it and follow the installation instruction. Or you can use one of my video I already downloaded while creating the EC2 instance. So now I want to convert this PEM file to PPK file. You can simply type don't use putty. This is for connecting your EC2 instance, not for generating the PPK file. You can use puttygen. There it is asking for actions. Generate a public or private key pair using generate option, load an existing private key file, or save the generated key. So we are not going to use the first option generate. So we can load an existing private key file. That is, while creating your EC2 instance, we generated one PEM file that you want to load it. Click on the load option. Go to desktop where I saved my PEM file. So it is asking for only the PPK extension. You can use all files, then only it will show. See, Jenkins server.pem. Select this one, open it. See, successfully imported foreign key. Then OK. Now you have to save this private key. Click on save private key. Are you sure you want to save this key without a passphrase or to protect it? Yes. Select the location where you want to save. I am selecting the documents and give some name. Jenkins server I am giving. Save it. Now it is saved and you can close this one now. Then log into your AWS account. Click. Use your login information and login. Click on EC2. Check if any running instances are there or not in your EC2 dashboard. Running instances 0, can select instance and actions, state, start, yes. Which file name we have saved? Jenkins server.ppk file extension. We have saved it. Once it is up and running, we will check connecting. Now it is up and running. I can take this public API for public ID. Can use putty. Now you can use putty, not in the putty gen. By default, port is 22. Use this IP address and SSH only, not in the raw or telnet or serial. Then go for SSH auth. We can load this ppk file where it is saved, and we have saved in the documents file. You can see Jenkins server.pem open. Click yes. Now type ec2-user. Can check authenticating with, see, we are connected to our EC2 instance. This is how you want to use your ppk file for connecting your EC2 instance. That's all guys. Thank you. And this is my tutorial. Thank you for actively watching my channel, and thanks for the subscribers. Please keep watching for more upcoming events and updates. Need any assistance, please follow the chat box or any other communication channel where it is a Telegram. And even I have created the Telegram as well, AWS tutorial at the rate Chandra. Can follow my this is the link which I have shared already in the public. So please subscribe and for more upcoming events. Thank you.